wanted to build a home that appeals to just about every genre, like, you know, young family, professional couples, retirees, however it might be appealed to. So good design and spatial awareness was a key part of how we came to designing this place. And the use of the VELUX skylights was a part of that. You know, using natural light, design, layout, features, enhancing features of the home using natural daylight was a key part of why we wanted to do what we've done. The use of skylights makes us a bit more unique, being the only certified installers in New Plymouth and Taranaki. So we've been using that knowledge for the last 10 plus years and to be able to incorporate that into a house and create not only light and a good vibe and a feel and the mood of a space. So when you come in, your natural light filters onto you, you're not opening the door to a dark space. The person coming to your door is welcomed by a nice light-filled, happy client, happy homeowner. Also, in the space of upstairs, walking through a hallway, you know, instead of just putting a sun tunnel in there to give it daylight, we've put a big skylight in there to showcase that whole area is now filtered with light. It filters down the stairs, it filters into those areas that normally you just walk through. The colour choices, things like that, all reflect that. And it just gives the whole house a light feel. At the end of the day, people come up these stairs and they're like, wow, look at this. The light that you get in here, the feel, the mood, the sensation of space when you don't have external windows, it's just fantastic. You come to bed and you can watch the stars at night, put the blinds down, sleep without the light waking you up. When you wake up in the morning, you've got this grand light coming into your room. It just uplifts you. You feel energised in the morning to start your day. Coming up with recessing the sides of the shaft to house greenery and plants. Essentially gives you a bit of a tropical feel. The light makes it feel like you're kind of outside and, you know, showering in a luxury zone, almost like you're in Bali. So the use of VELUX skylights has been something we've promoted and loved since we started doing it. It's a product that's great innovation, great technology, great support, worldwide brand, and yeah, we love it.